Stop scrolling through random products. Here's the exact tool I use to find products that actually sell on eBay. And here's one of them. It's an art projector, but it's selling for $74.99 on eBay. 19 sold in the last 24 hours with 1,328. This seller launched this product in 2025, prepared for the holiday season, and is now making a solid $50,000 a month with this product. Not bad at all, right? And we're looking at the different types of products. So what it is, it's reverse engineering. So you can find products obviously with ZIK Analytics, but you can actually find competitors, take their name, put it into the tool and find out every product that they sell, how much they sell, what's good, what's not good. And that's going to be the easiest way, because you know if there's an eBay seller that's selling really good products and is making money, you know that all of their products are probably making money. The winners always win. And they're pulling eBay's official API data to get this information. So we're going to go to ZIK Analytics together. This is the tool. All right. There's a link in the description if you want a discount. It's right here, zikanalytics.com. They do have a free $1 trial that I actually tried out when I first used this tool, and it's worth it. That just at least to see the tool itself. And right from the get, they're showing you the trending products. They're showing you the trending eBay niches, the cat tree tower, you name it, how much money they're making. You can dive deeper into these tools. But right now, what we're going to be looking at isn't the top trending niches, we're looking at the competitors, right? So we already found a product, and I'm sure you have some products that you found. And what we want to do is we want to look at the actual analytics. So we're going to copy their seller name, which is Selling Savings Boulevard. Put it into here, click enter, and we can see the analytics of what they're actually doing. When they launch these products, do they have any more bestsellers? Do they have any trending products that nobody knows about? And you can see their sell-through rate is 1,842%, which is just completely insane. Anything above 700% is that sweet spot where you want to be. $57,000 in revenue in the past 30 days is hard to beat. Now we can look right here. It's showing us the product name, upload date. You can see they uploaded this product in 2025. 7 days made 11,000, 14 days, 25 Gs, 30 days, 51, and total sold $98,000. So this product really started to take off towards the holiday season. This is the holiday season product. It looks like they started it a little bit early, but not bad at all. With all of this information, you can kind of double check into it, look more into the product, click on it directly, and see what other products that they're selling. But surprisingly, they're not making much more money on these other products. Now, they did used to make money on these pills, but this is brand name pills, right? So they were making money on these types of pills, but it looks like they're not making as much right now. And we can kind of look at some of their other products. They were making some money on this, not really much anymore. Oh, because they ended the listing. So a red dot site. So very cool just to see what are other sellers making, but we're going to go back into the product research tool to find something else to sell. So I'm going to go to ebay.com, United States, last 30 days. I'm going to find something that's selling for over $100, right? It's going to be a little tough to find. And I want it to be a toy. So I'm going to type in toy, something that's selling for a minimum of $100 or more. And we can see the sell-through rate. We can see the estimated monthly earnings in this category. And we can even see the top sellers. So we can do a reverse analysis of the top sellers. But I'm just going to scroll down and see that the Pop Mart Labubu, Labubus, the Labubus are making the money. So you can open up the top selling products right here. Last 30 days, 275 sold. If we want to see what other products this person is selling, we can also open up a competitor analysis. I'm going to open that up in another tab. 30-day sales, total sold, price. Look at the Labubus. The Labubus are making 4 sold in the last 24 hours. They got 1 left. I'm about to buy it. This is cool. Very, very cool. Very cool. And then we can see the actual seller. So we're doing analysis on the seller now. Spider-Man. We got Spider-Man. They even have those winter leggings that they made 18 grand off of. They made $31,000 off of Transformers. I'm just looking at these numbers. This is 30 grand. All right, so it's 20 grand, 30 grand. What is this? I don't even know what this is, but it looks pretty dope. Right? So you can see just random pants, man. People are buying them. They look pretty cool. I'll cop a pair. And we can kind of go back and we can look at they have a product explorer tool. So this is more specific if you're trying to find other like specific categories. A category research tool that's not out yet, I have no idea what it's going to do. A title builder tool. So you can look at your titles. So we're going to say I'm selling a Labubu. What is it? 2-pack. I don't know what this is going to do. Didn't do anything. It broke. Right? Now, out of all honesty, ZIK Analytics, they're really good at just the tools that I showed you in the beginning. The other tools, I don't think they're very good. But is it worth the money? Hell yeah. These tools that I just showed you are just like A1. They're just like pulling things out. It's like instant. They're so fast. The new tools that they come out with are not that good. All right. So when you're buying this, you're really focusing on the tools like product research. You're not focused on title builder. You're not focused on like optimization. This is mainly for finding products. They've got a bulk scanner tool, which I don't know. I haven't used it. 500 best-selling eBay items. This might be valuable if you want to. You got that Jellycat. Ali growth. This is Alibaba. I think this is outdated. Turbo scanner. Autopilot. I think this is finding different products. Labubu. I want to find some of Labubu. And then maybe it's going to work. Right, you can find some top selling products. This looks so easy to sell. I don't even know what that's. Jellycat, Timmy Turtle. I don't know. If you know what this is, comment below. This is hilarious, but it's making a lot of money. So yeah, some of the tools are good. Some of them aren't good. My competitors, you can look at your competitors, save them. My products, my AliExpress products. They've got training. Here's their academy. I like how the academy's built in. And I do like the editing. They got that like nice dark background on here. Tutorials. There we go. Maybe this is what I need. I need more of this. Category research. I thought that tool's not out yet. It's not out. Come on, guys. Okay, we got eBay fee calculator. The eBay fee calculator kicks me out of the tool. Okay, I mean, I can go through all these tools, but this one looks like it's a Facebook, but it's like an upsell. It's quick settings. I don't even know what this is for, right? And you can change it to like bright or dark. Okay, so that's kind of the analysis of the tool. You know, when you're buying this tool, you can click on all the other items, all the other cool things, but the only real thing that you're going to be using is going to be the homepage to see the trends. You're going to be looking at the product research. You're going to be looking at the competitor research. And that's pretty much it. Now you can look at the top 500 products to find little Jellycat, Timmy Turtle, which could be optimized as well and help you with sales. But those are the tools. That's what you're going to get out of this tool. Is it accurate? Yes. Does it work fast? Yes. Is it better than all the competitors? Yes. Is it worth it? Yeah. Yes, it's not perfect, but that's going to be the full analysis of this tool. I highly recommend this tool. It is right in the description. You can start with a free, a $1 trial to test it out. And that's what I always recommend before you actually decide to buy. But if you want more eBay tools, let me know what to cover next in the comments. Learn something new, drop a like. And if you're an eBay seller, highly recommend subscribing to this channel because we're here to help you find new tools and become the best eBay seller you can. We also specialize in Walmart and Amazon. If you need help with increasing sales, finding new products to sell, contact EHP Consulting Group. Links right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.